Moving on, South Africa has been hit with the second wave of COVID-19. The new variant of coronavirus has led to a surge in more infections in the country. Now, South Africa is divided whether it should reopen its schools or not. Here's the report.
South Africa's Education Department has taken a tough but necessary decision to postpone the reopening of schools for the new academic year due to the impact of the second wave of COVID-19.
All stakeholders were united in supporting a delay in the opening of schools. Given the pressure experienced by the health system in the past few weeks, occasioned by the increased COVID-19 infections, which has led to the second wave, the Council of Education Ministers, in conjunction with the National Coronavirus Command Council and Cabinet, has taken the decision to delay the reopening of both public and private schools with 2 weeks. They will need to postpone their reopening to a later date. This is done to provide relief to the health system, which is already struggling to cope with the current demands.
However, not everyone is on board with the government's decision, and this has led to temperatures flaring and sharpening divisions. Experts and scientists have diverse views. Some believe schools should remain closed in order to reduce burden on health system, while others feel otherwise.
Children appear to be far less affected themselves by the COVID-19, and this has remained the case even with the new variant. There is some risk in terms of transmission to parents within the home, if in fact there is an outbreak at the school, but with proper measures to prevent infections at the school, this ought to be ameliorated. And I would recommend that going back to school is an important component of getting back to normal life.
Despite rising number of COVID deaths, in the last 1 week, South Africa has seen the number of new COVID cases declining. However, experts have warned that this does not mean the peak is over. As on Thursday, COVID-19 deaths in South Africa stood at more than 39,000, while cumulative COVID-19 cases stood at more than 1.3 million. Experts say government needs to make vaccines available as soon as possible in order to prevent the possibility of third wave. This is Kaldanongmu from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.